Lot number 506 is a 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has 187,000 miles. It's got a 5.9 liter V8 gas engine, and it appears to be missing the computer. So it does nothing. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's being sold as is. It's a 5.9 liter V8 with 187,000 miles. The engine, transmission, and exhaust system all appear to be complete. It's missing the computer. It may be missing something else that we don't see here. It appears to me to be complete. Now, I'll give you a quick walk around and show you what I see. Let me show you the miles. Here are the miles. No bus. 187,282 miles. It's starting to rain here, so I'm gonna kind of run through this. The paint is peeling, faded, and it shows surface rust. The front bumper is dented. It's got all matching steel wheels. It's missing one hubcap, and the tires look good. They may have flat spots. This truck's been sitting for a while, but they appear to be in good shape. This one has an enclosed utility bed. The utility bed shows where the roof on that enclosure has rust holes and rainwater is getting inside. All the cabinet doors open. The cabinets look all right. It's a reading utility box, and driver's side all looks good. I'll show you the cargo area. Enclosed cargo area looks good. It's got metal shelves all around. It's clean, but it does have some rust holes. You can see the daylight over there, and you can see the rust crumbs on the ground. Heavy duty rear bumper. It's nice and straight. Passenger side, cabinet doors open. They don't close as perfectly as they should. They kind of bounce back at you. But all the cabinets look good. No rust holes inside of the cabinets. Here's the passenger side. It's peeling, it's moldy. The paint is really rough on the truck. But hey, it's a straight body. The front bumper's dented. Headlights look a little dull. And I'll show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear for these cars. Driver's seat is torn. Armrest, center console armrest is torn. Passenger seat shows small tears. The headliner is missing. It's missing the glove box. And that's it. Normal wear and tear. It's being sold as is. It's a non-runner. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's lot number 506. It's a 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. Good luck.